What's up guys, Arbor the boss is here. Today we are going to film a video about my cycle. If you don't know, I have a cycle. Only my friend knows that I have a cycle. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe in here, the link down below. So today I am going to show my cycle to you, to all of my subscribers. So let's go and see. So this is my cycle, if you don't know. So a few days later I have just got a new brake handle and new grip and a new electric bell that I will be unboxing today. So this is my cycle. Cycle is not a mountain bike yet. I will upgrade this bike slowly and you guys will know how I will upgrade it. To change this bike completely to an MTB bike, it will take year, 2 years, 3 years. It might take 2-3 years. So this is my seat. If you don't know, this is made by my mother. I don't like the seat in the shop, so I tell my mom to make me a comfortable seat and he make me this seat. So this is the seat my mom make to me. And this is Shimano gears, and I have put down a safety to protect my gears so that it will not break. Okay, so guys, let's do the unboxing of the bell. So guys, let's do the unboxing here. See. So this is the electric, let me take it out. So this is the electric bell, you guys should see here. This is the electric bell and the light. This bell has 6 different sounds and have 3 types of light. One this light, second small, one big light, small, and this. This light has keyboard 250 luminum and the low light have 125 luminum. The strobe has 250 luminum and the battery life is 3.5 hours, and it takes 2.5 hours to be filled, and it have a 12,000 mAh battery inside, and it is also rechargeable if you don't know. So let's unbox all the things. Let's see. So a cable come inside, and we have also another. Where is it? We have wait. Let me take it out completely. We have a strap inside for the bell. So this will be connected here freely here. You have to press this here. So now we can connect it. Yes, got connected. So we'll put this in the cycle. So let's see, now we'll put it in the cycle. Let's see. So here is the cycle and we will put it here. You will see. So here is the bell, and I will put the bell inside there. If you can see, let's put it closer to the camera. And now we will put it here. See, to strap, to do it like this. Let me show you this. If you can see, we will here. Oh no, first we have to unput the wires. Let me unput the wires. Yes, we have unput the wires. So let's unbox it here. We will get tight in here. So this is sheet. So we sit here. Many people put the bill in here like this. So like this. But I thought that I will not put it like this. I will put it like this. So this will be here in the green. If you can see, it will be here in the green. We need to put a step here, and when we will not put the bell like here, we will put it like here, like a bulb. So when we will not press it like it, we will press it like it. So when we will be writing the cycle, this will be much easier. And it has 6 different sounds. One is the second sound, the third sound, the fourth sound, fifth sound, and the fifth sound. So this was the unboxing of the bell. So let's see. And this is my cycle suspension, not too bad and not too good, medium. So this is the suspension. So now if we go off-road, not mount, then in the straight line, in the main road, we can lock the suspension. Now it will not suspend. So when we unlock it like here, then we can suspend like this. And also we have a bell here, 2 bells. So that's it. Till now, this is one of my favorite cycle I have. So this body frame is so good. Whatever I try, this body will not break. It's so good of a body. This is. I will slowly turn this bike to a MTB bicycle. If you heard in the previous video. So this is it. So guys, this was the end of the video, and please like, share and comment the video, and please subscribe it down here. So bye guys.